I'm here to show you how to make a tea that will help cleanse out your lungs. You can use this tea if you're a smoker to help clear out your lungs, or if you have other lung conditions like emphysema, COPD, chronic bronchitis, or asthma. It will help expel mucus out of your lungs using the ginger powder. The green tea is really good with antioxidants, which is what I use as the tea of choice. And we also have honey here as a cough suppressant, which I'm going to be making. You can make it even better. You can even add a tarmac onion, I think it's called, to it, but I don't have any, so I'm just going to be doing what I do to make it. So I start off by adding 1 spoonful of ginger powder to the thermos here that I'm making it. I like to make mine in a thermos so I can have like at least 4 or 5 glasses of tea and carry it throughout the day at my job. So that's going to be putting in 1 of these. This is probably a little bit too much, but I'm going to be putting over 1 liter of water in, so I'm pretty sure I can get away putting this much in. And tea bags, of course. Another alternative to the tea that I drink, if I don't have any left over, but I normally put 2 tea bags in when I'm filling up 1 liter thermos here, because we're considering that you're filling up 1 liter of water. Extra tea bags are better. And this is another tea that I commonly would use, but I only have a few tea bags left. You can put 3 tea bags in. 1 liter of water will be, it's not going to make it too strong. And honey, of course. Let's see if I can find a spoon. Of course, you want to put in a bit of honey so you have the cough suppressant. Let me just set my phone down so I can do that. So, add some honey into the tea. When you got everything else in and ready, like the honey, so we got the honey, the ginger, and the tea bags. It's time to add the hot water. And there is some floating plate pieces inside, but if you stir it, you won't be as noticeable, and it doesn't matter to drink it. Even you can see the floaty pieces of ginger still in the tea. It's not going to harm you to drink it like that, but if you stir it, you will probably get rid of hopefully get rid of the ginger grains, but you can't always. But it's still a really healthy tea to drink. That's how I make it.